5 days after a deadly terrorist attack in Pahalgam, Kashmir, Prime Minister Narendra Modi expressed deep anguish and reiterated the India's strongest ever stance against terrorism and those who support it. In his monthly radio program, that is Mann Ki Baat, on Sunday, the Prime Minister Narendra Modi spoke at length about the pain and anger that is felt across the nation. Today, as I speak to you in Mann Ki Baat, there is a deep anguish in my heart. The terrorist incident that took place in the Pahalgam, Kashmir on the 22nd of April has hurt every citizen of the country, he said. He affirmed that the justice for the victims will be ensured without fail. Also, every Indian holds deep sympathies for the affected families, he added. The Prime Minister Modi also noted that the pain is not limited by geography or language. No matter which state one belongs to, no matter which language one speaks, one is feeling the pain of those who have lost their loved ones in the attack. Also, I can feel that the blood of every Indian is on the boil after seeing the pictures of the terrorist attack, he said. Also, taking the direct aim at the forces behind the violation, he said that the attack in the Pahalgam shows the desperation of the patrons of the terrorism, displays their cowardice, and at the time when the peace was returning to Kashmir, there was a vibrancy in the school and colleges. Construction work had gained momentum and unprecedented pace. Democracy was getting stronger. The number of tourists was increasing at a record rate. People's income was increasing. New opportunities were being created by the and for the youth. Also, he underlined that enemies of the nation and of the Jammu and Kashmir were frustrated with the region's progress. Also, the terrorists and the mastermind of terror want Kashmir to be destroyed again, and hence they executed such a big conspiracy, he added. In the war against the terrorism, the unity of the country, the solidarity of the 140 crore Indians is the biggest strength. Also, this unity is the basis of our decisive fight against terrorism, the ministry has said. Also, the urging to the public to remain resolute, he also said that we have to strengthen our resolve to face these challenges that have surfaced before the country. We have to demonstrate strong willpower as a nation, and today the world is watching. After the terrorist attack, the whole country is speaking in one voice. He also highlighted the support India has received from the global community, the anger that we see people of India feeling. Also, the anger is that of the whole world. After the terrorist attack, condolences were continuously pouring in from all parts of the world. The global leaders have called me up and written me messages, and also they have expressed condolences to the families of the deceased. The whole world stands with the 140 crore Indians in the fight against terrorism. Also, I again ensure and assure the affected families will get justice and will be done. Also, perpetrators and conspirators of the attack will be served with the harshest response, the Prime Minister have said. Meanwhile, sources said that the Indian Army has moved into a position to counter the terror threats, with the next 48 hours being crucial in this operation. The government is reportedly maintaining strict vigilance over terror sympathizers both in the Jammu and Kashmir and across other parts of the country.